go through the replacement of the cabin air filter in a 2025 Hyundai Sonata. It's going to be located in your glove box. So the first step is going to be to disconnect this damper because we're going to lower the glove box down. Okay, and to do that, you look on the sides here, there's stoppers. I'm going to push this in like this, pull the door down on both sides. Okay. Might have to go back and forth a little bit to get it down, like I'm doing here, but eventually it will just fall right down. And then right here is where the filter is located in this container here. Squeeze these tabs, pull towards you, take the door off. Here's your filter here. Just go and pull this one out. This one definitely needs to be changed, so I'll recommend it to my customer. I'll show them a picture of this guy. I actually don't have a new one. I don't have it approved yet. To get you to stick it in here, stick it back in here. And when you get your new filter, it'll be labeled airflow. Like this one is here, it's always going to be down, okay? So if you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get one. Go like that. Just get the glove box. Just close it. And then just snap this back on. Good to go.